Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a homemade natural hair dye for grey hair or white hair. This is easily made at home. It is made with all the natural ingredients easily available on your kitchen shelf. You can do this in large quantity and store it in the refrigerator to be applied. The things you need to make this hair dye is, first I'm taking 2 tablespoons of roasted amla. This is dried and roasted amla. Then I'm going to take 2 walnuts with shells. These are very good for your hair when it is roasted, and these are good for your hair when you eat it also. Next I'm taking 2 tablespoons of coffee powder and tea powder. As you know, in my previous video, if you have seen, this gives a distinct color to your hair, somewhat darkish brown color, and it will maintain the color of your hair. So next I am taking curry leaves. It keeps your hair healthy and black when eaten. So if you don't have fresh curry leaves, you can use dry curry leaves also. This is totally optional. If you don't have, you can skip this. Next I am going to roast all the ingredients. For this I have taken one pan like this, a perforated pan. If you don't have something like this, you can directly place it on the stove like how you see here. Be careful when you roast this walnuts because it has a tendency to pop up because of the heat. So you have to be careful. Use a spoon like this or a fork like this to hold it and roast it. So once it is charred to black color, you have to remove it. It is still roasting. The shell also should roast and the inside nut also should be roasted into black color. So you don't have to expect any healthiness in these ingredients here now when you roast it. It is just to provide us darkness to our color, hair. So in a cast iron bowl, I have put amla. I have to roast this also little more. I am roasting it to black in color. So one by one I have to roast it. Once it is done, now you add the tea powder and the coffee powder which you have taken. You have to roast this also. Roast it until it is black in color. Now add the fresh or the dry curry leaves. This is totally optional. Curry leaves, when consumed, helps to increase the keratin content of your hair. That is why it is good for your hair to keep it black in color. So that is why you use. Next I am using one mortar and pestle so that I have to crush this black walnuts here. I am putting a cover on that and crushing so that I can easily remove it. Crush it nicely. Once you crush it, it becomes powder like this. It has its own greasiness because of the nut inside, which has its own natural oils. It gives some sort of greasiness to your hair that helps to stick. The color sticks to your hair properly because of this greasiness. So here let's see what's happening in the pan. Now all the ingredients what I have to roast is charred into black color. So for an extra black color, if you have the crushed walnuts which is there, you have to add it to this pan and roast it for a while. Then I'm adding 2 glasses of water into the same pan and allow it to boil and reduce it to half its quantity. If you have added 2 glasses of water, it should become to 1 glass when you strain it out. Boil it nicely in low flame. Keep in mind that you always boil it in low flame, anything. That's why it will give its color into the water. Let it simmer. Then after half an hour or something, just check it and see if it is reduced to half. You can see the plate, how it is turned black because of the darkness in the water. So once done, put off the flame and let it cool. You have to cool this overnight or for few hours. If you don't have time, at least for 4 to 5 hours, let it cool. Once done, I have left it for overnight in the same pan. Once it is done, I'm going to grind this, put it in a mixer jar and grind it to a smooth paste like this. This is what I want. It already looks like hair dye. I have to strain this because of the smooth application I need. If there is this residue when applying, the application may not be that good. So your black hair dye is ready to be applied now. Now as you can see, I have gray hair or white hair at the roots. So I'm going to apply here. I'll take a brush to apply, or you can use cotton wool also. Dip it in the hair dye and apply. Apply it along the roots and the length of the hair. Since I have it only in the roots, I am applying here. Leave it for 1 hour to 1.5 hours or 2 hours maximum, and then you can wash it off without using shampoo. This you have to do it every day for 4 to 5 days until you get the desired results. The results may vary for hair to hair and texture to texture. Suppose if you have applied color previously, this may not give that much result immediately. That is why you have to apply continuously for 3 to 4 days. Now I have washed my hair with plain water. You can see that my hair color has changed to light brown. This is first day of application. Next day also I will show you how it is. So this is how it looks. So this is the second day of application. It has turned a little bit darker. So if we apply this for next 3 days, my hair will look black in color. This is totally natural. There is no side effects. So a little bit effort, but you will be assured that it will give you good results. So if you want to know more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and please share and comment. Thanks for watching.